sign said you will get wet. You don't have to tell me twice.
3, 2, 1.
Match the outfit. It's giving Steamboat Willie vibes. Childhood nostalgia. Highly recommend. Train snack. Memories.
Ready Player One. Thumbs up if you enjoyed and subscribe for more videos like this.
We're now at THORPE Park. We just got off of the THORPE Park bus. We're so excited. It's a warm, sunny day. If you're new here, subscribe below. If you enjoy this THORPE Park vlog, hit the thumbs up. Let's go ride some rides. Woo woo. Welcome to the UK's most thrilling theme park, going into the Dome. This is my childhood thrill theme park. Oh, there she is. She hasn't changed in years, and neither should she. She's beautiful. Swarm, here comes Swarm.
Very nice one.
Oh, it's a beautiful summer day. People are playing in the sand. There's a little beach. They're having a jolly holiday. Let's go further down. Let's go ride some rides. Oh my god, this one looks crazy. Like, I'm such a scaredy cat. This ride looks quite intense. This ride is called Vortex. We're about to get on it now, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of scared. But it'll be fun. Just got off of Vortex. Coco encouraged me. I was so scared.
It went on quite long. It was fun. Everyone was screaming.
Hey little duckies. Hey geese. We're going on the Zodiac. 5-minute wait. So busy today. We've done 2 rides already, and now we're going to Tidal Wave. Ride 3. Let's go. We just got off the Tidal Wave, soaked.
Head
Absolutely
to toe,
soaked.
soaked, drenched, everything was wet. We had a shower basically.
If you're hot on a summer's day, the Tidal Wave is one that I come on every time that I come from the park.
But it was amazing. 10 out of 10.
We're about to get on Storm Surge. So bye. Let's go.
It's the only way to keep cool today.
We're already drying off, so we need to get wet again for sure. The banana ride is a walk-on. I love the banana ride. We're next on Mr. Monkey's banana ride. I remember being 12 and going on this one. Memories. I remember it going much higher when I was a child, not gonna lie, but it was still fun. On to the next one. They've got a Cadbury's chocolate lodge and a bubble tea area. I do love bubble tea. Burger King's actually looking amazing. It's had a really good refresh there. They've definitely updated this. That roller coaster I will not be going on. It looks absolutely insane. If you're brave and you enjoy these extreme roller coasters, I applaud you, because this is only for the brave. We're now heading to Rumba Rapids. The sign said you will get wet. You don't have to tell me twice. Let's go.
Hyperion. It was great, but it was really hot in the heat. The wait was like quite killing.
Really?
Even though I only waited half an hour, it was a lot. But it's a good ride. It's very, very high.
Marks out of 10?
100.
100 out of 10.
It was good. I liked it.
Such a boiling hot day. 3rd water ride of THORPE Park today. Let's go. We've just done Rumba Rapids. It just sort of bumps along in the water. Remember this ride as a kid being much bigger and going for much longer. Teacup, I'll be sick. I've been spinning enough. Where else? There must be more rides. So going on the bumper cars, it's a walk-on. 5-minute wait, big easy bumpers.
Rolling, rolling.
They see me riding, they're hating, patrolling, they're trying to catch me riding dirty, catch me riding dirty.
What colour are you doing?
I like red. What about you?
I might do the blue and
Match that outfit.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, we gotta do that, Coco. We're going Sunset Cinema. No idea what's about to happen. I think it's a 3D show. Guys, we're in the Sunset Cinema with 3D glasses on. We'll let you know if it's worth coming in here. We're just really hot, aren't we, Coco?
Yeah, and it's nice and chilled in here. It's some Ready Player One 4D experience, so we're looking forward to that.
Yeah, we'll let you know if we smell anything, get squirted with anything. 4D must mean more than 3D, so we'll update you.
See you soon.
We just did the most amazing thing. We just went into Sunset Cinema. It was Ready Player One. He figured out how to win. He was the first ever to win. It's 4D. You get a little blast and puffs of air and little blast of water as well. That was a nice little 10-minute break from the heat, but we moved. Let's go. If you love Care Bears, I would like the one with either the rainbow pink one or actually I love hearts, so yeah, I would really love that. That's so cute. Anyone want to win me that? Can I have this one please? It's literally the perfect hot summer day for Thorpe Park. We're gonna go and see if there's any little rides left that we haven't done. But oh, look at that giant splash. That was one of my favourites. Getting wet on a hot summer's day is everything.
They need that for the summer day.
Oh yeah, the bumpers, that was a good shout, Coco, because I wasn't even fussed about it, but actually it was quite fun. Coco's having a little munch. What are you munching on?
Chips.
Yeah, you got to keep your energy up. We've done a lot of walking today. Oh look, they have some churros there. You can actually win giant teddy bears. KFC. We'll definitely get some food before we go. Those are all the Pokemon. I love Pikachu obviously, but I don't know what the pink one's called. Oh look, they've got some like Winnie the Pooh things to win over there. This is to prove how strong you are. I don't know about my upper body strength, so I'm not even gonna attempt that one. Oh look at them, they're so cute. Classic British food in the theme park. Got some fish and chips right there. Here's the ghost train. I've been on it before. They have a bar. Oh, I get it. This is meant to look like a tugboat, but it really looks like Steamboat from Disney. It's giving Steamboat Willie vibes. This is the fish and chips, guys. If you want to see the prices, there we go. Classic British food. We love the good fish and chips. What about Walking Dead?
Let's see if that's it.
We're gonna go check out Walking Dead now, guys. There's a lot of fun, like little driving things to do, a lot of games to win, so it's not just rides. Walking Dead rides. That's the ride we were on earlier. Now we're about to go onto Walking Dead. Don't be scared, guys. In the Walking Dead ride, part of it is walking through real life sets, and part of it is a ride in motion. I believe it used to be called No Way Out, a dark backwards roller coaster, but now it's Walking Dead themed. I did enjoy it, and some guys behind us were zombies, so it added to the whole thing. Highly recommend. Gotta do Walking Dead in Thorpe Park. We just did depth charger right there. Oh my god, childhood nostalgia. I feel so brave. I can't believe it. I went flying down. It's such vibes in Thorpe Park. It's all about the vibes. Now it's time to go get some food. I'm hoping Burger King is still open, guys. We haven't literally had a proper meal all day. We've just been running around. I'm order number 111. That is the angel numbers, if you believe in that. And it's £9.79. We're gonna get this frozen drink with it because it's so hot and it's an extra pound. Why not? I've not had a Burger King in forever. We're going for a cheeseburger and chips. Can't wait to sit down and enjoy this. That's my burger and chips, and we're just waiting for the drink. I got a little mayo with it. 30p for the mayo.
Thank you.
Thank you. The bacon double cheeseburger. See what it looks like in there. So cute, so tiny. Donut time. I'm gonna get a snack for the train. Definitely I want chocolate. No idea which one. Just one.
Then she has to eat it.
No, I'm sick. Ooh, Cinderella. I like the look of that. Oh no, Tim Tam glaze. What's that? Hershey's Love at First Bite. Cinnamon sugar Nutella.
Buy 5, get 1 free.
Buy 5. So just one. Chocolate hazelnut butter glaze with Kinder Bueno. Ooh.
Buy 4, I will give you 10% off.
I just want one.
I suggest Bruno Mars.
Okay, then let's go Bruno Mars. I love Kinder Bueno. So excited for that train snack. Got a bit squished in transit, but I'm sure Bruno Mars is going to be just as yummy.
Next station is Ashford, Surrey.
I'm so lucky there's no one else in the whole carriage. Donut time, quite literally. If you're new, subscribe, hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys! Woo!